ikinyari ya maabitha borithi gukorwo magitumo bururi-ini wa Haiti na makiria kumanagia na kana guthie guteithĩrĩria gutigĩrĩra ati ngui iria mwena ucio niciakorwo igiteithĩra no Kindiki Aritie ari mbere ya ruhonge rwa Ugitiri na kuria Ogereire ati Rita riri bururi kana Rita rĩa mbere bururi wa Kenya uratuma Uteithio kuri mabũrũri maria makoragwo na Wiiguano. Mundu gwitwo Ting'endo wa Njogu nĩaratarĩria.
Thutha mutongoria wa bururi Dr. William Ruto kwiranira ati ni kuneana Biraru 1,000 guthie gucokereria bururi-ini wa Haiti kuria kuri na mirurungano ya gutetia president wa riu Aritie mwaho wa Azimio ni weyumiritie na kuhoya bunge ya gĩbũrũri guthuri mundu uyu na kuria Minista wa Ugitari wa Thi-ini Prof Kithure Kindiki ekinyirie mbere ya ruhonge rwa Ugitiri niguo kuheana uhoro na njira ndikadikiru.
I want to talk about the issue of Haiti. One, I think you are very clear today. I think what is lacking in this country, Wasiri, is lack of preparing the nation.
Kindiki ari mbere ya bunge ugite ati Kenya mararegana na uhoro uyu wa Biraru cia Kenya gutwarwo Haiti kuona matire marataũkĩrwo wega na itua rĩrĩ na thirikari ya bururi nĩ ĩbangĩte wega nĩguo kũneana ũtheri kũrĩ ya Kenya hĩndĩ ya gũtua itua ta rĩrĩ.
That much of the sentiments that are coming out is because the people of Kenya would like an explanation and information on the deployment. I want to promise on behalf of government that on a matter as monumental as this one, the government will be transparent and will provide as much information to the people of Kenya as possible.
Kindiki ogire ati bururi wa Kenya wiki uratuma Biraru gucokereria thayũ mwena wa Haiti kuona mabũrũri ta Bururi, Senegal, Mauritius, Chad na Cuba ni mareketie gutuma Uteithio wao.
The process is ongoing. As I said, it's still at the preliminary stage, but the countries that have offered to provide troops include Burundi, Senegal, Mauritius, Chad, Paraguay, Cuba, and Grenada as we speak, but the diplomatic engagements are ongoing.
Kiria gitigarite ni kana bunge ni gwitikira kana ni kuregana na ihoya riri kuona igoti ni rugamite mitaratara ino nyagia riracirwo gathikiririo ringi tariki 24 mweri wa 10.
So I want to say on behalf of this committee and Kenyans, it was a good moment to really tell Kenya what is happening.
Adone ha Muthingi TV ni Ugitari wa Njogu.
Minista wa